Hey everyone, it's Mike from M&M Professional Window Cleaners. It's a beautiful, gorgeous day. Um, I always love it when the sun is out. I'm not sure how you like it or if you don't like the cooler weather. Today I was giving out some business cards and then just updating a Facebook ad and a Instagram ad. Got to use old media and new media to get new customers. So I'm got that going and gonna do more of that. This week was pretty good. Wasn't too busy, but we did some work, and looking forward to early next month where we do Durham College. They have some windows that were egged by students, unfortunately, one of the student residents. So we'll be taking care of that after Halloween. And besides that, last week I worked in generally nice day, nice cool sunny day, except for about 10 minutes where we had some ice pellets or hail pounding me and Greg as we were doing a 4-story seniors home, seniors residence. But the nice thing was our feet were on the ground, and the nice thing about the majority of our work is the majority, even though we have 17, 21, 26 foot ladders, the majority of work doesn't require a ladder because we use pure water-fed poling, which enables us to keep our feet on the ground while still giving clear, shiny windows. So we weren't up on a ladder, we weren't up on scaffolds, and we weren't on a bosun chair. We were on the ground, but unfortunately that hail just pounded us. Fortunately, the sun came out, we dried up, and we got the job done good, and the customer was happy, and we're happy with that. It's a job we do in Peterborough twice a year, and even some of the tenants have us clean their doors to go inside to their units and go in the balcony and clean their doors. Anyway, hope you're having a good day. Hope you have a good weekend and enjoy this nice sunny weather. Better than a rainy weekend, even if it's cool. Have a good one.